Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant. While launching it, you got an error. Windows could not start the VGC service on local computer with error 193. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. In the first step, if you are using any kind of VPN like NordVPN, ProtonVPN or any VPN, make sure you disable it before launching the Roid client on the Valorant. Disable the VPN. After disabling, if you have installed any third-party antivirus into your system such as Avast, AVG, McAfee, Norton, make sure you uninstall them or it is better to disable them. After doing these two steps, try to relaunch the game and the issue will be fixed. Although, if this fails to work out, right click on taskbar, choose the option Task Manager. From the left pane, click on Details tab and in the search box, type in Roid. Whatever the process is running with the name Roid, right click and choose the option End Task. After the processes are completely closed, close it, then click on Start menu, type CMD and choose the option Run as Administrator. Type here a command sc delete VGC and hit enter key. Second one is sc delete VGK and again hit the enter key. After doing these two commands, make sure to restart your PC. After restarting, open this PC, C drive, program files and you will find a folder with the name Roid Pan Card. Right click and choose option delete. Once this folder is deleted, in next step you need to relaunch your Roid client. Log in using your user ID and password. Now once you are logged in, click on the Valorant and you will find an option to update. Click on the option update. Now wait for few minutes to finish updating this Valorant right into your system. This will completely install the Vanguard right into your PC. Once update is fully completed, minimize it. Now right click on Start menu, choose the option Run, type here services.msc and then hit the enter key. Now press the V key to find a service with the name VGC. Double click to open it. If it is showing stop, click on the Start option at once. Once it is started, in the startup type, make it automatic, then hit apply and OK button. Now go ahead, relaunch your game and the issue of Windows cannot start the VGC service on local computer will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving update from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.